Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to unlink mobile number from apps. Alright, so let's begin with the video. The exact steps may vary depending on the service, but there are several common places you can check. Start by opening a web browser and signing into the account associated with the phone number. Tap on your profile icon at the top and then select Manage Google Account. From here, navigate to the Personal Info section. Scroll down until you find the phone number option and select it. From there, you can review how the number is being used across your account. If removal is allowed, choose the option to delete or remove the phone number and complete any required verification steps. Keep in mind that some services use a phone number for account recovery, security verification, or two-factor authentication. In those cases, you may need to add an alternative recovery method before removing the number. If you're trying to remove a phone number from a specific app, open the app and go to your account or profile setting. Look for a section related to personal information, contact details, or account settings. Many apps allow you to edit or remove your phone number directly from this area. Some apps may require a phone number to remain linked to the account. If removal isn't allowed, you may be able to replace the existing number with a different one instead. To do this, search for Google Voice in your web browser. Now here you can see you can also download the app or simply go ahead and sign in to your Google Voice web browser. Here in Google Voice will display a list of available numbers based on nearby cities and regions. You can browse through the available options and choose the number that best fits your preferences. Once you've selected a number, follow the prompts to complete the setup process. And that's it! So that's basically how you can unlink mobile number from apps. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.